Are you suffering as a result of anxiety and you've tried all kinds of different things and it's just not enough? Anxiety is a complex issue. Like the field of psychiatry, they say we can sort of understand some aspects of it, but the causes we don't know. So that's the answer they give you. So therefore, medication, because right. And for some other people, they say, well, let's do counseling for a little while. I'll just be supportive of you, my client, and then everything will be fine. You feel better, and that works for some people. But for advanced souls who've been through incarnations many lifetimes, and or people who've been traumatized, and very often it's advanced souls who've been traumatized uh, by in various ways from various places, so this life and past life and etc. Then you need more than that. So let me explain, let me unpack some of these things to you. First of all, my name is Rami. I've been in the helping field now for almost 50 years, certified as a couple and family therapist and trainer, and specializing in trauma and so forth. And because of some of the stuff that I've gone through and working with the types of clients that I've worked with, it's just not enough to take the traditional approaches and stick with that. We can convince ourselves as helpers or as clients that if I just stick with this long enough, then everything will be fine, and you keep going and going and going. And so let me unpack some of this for you. So childhood trauma is a really important aspect, particularly the first year and a half of life. There's tons of research that's been done regarding that. So, and now also there's some research that shows, well, yeah, pregnancy too. So if mom went through some sizable difficulties during the pregnancy, then that impacts the fetus, of course, right? The energy between them, it's porous. What the mother experiences, the fetus experiences. And our mind, our brain has not been developed yet, and our emotional system is part of that. So where we're impacted is at the cellular level. So then the traditional forms of counseling where you focus on mental stuff and emotional stuff, it doesn't work because it came before those channels were developed. So you have to heal at the cellular level. Let me show you a little bit. This will fit for some of you, and for some other people will say, well, that's not part of my difficulty. It's not a difficulty that I went through. So I'm going to work with some energies for a little bit, and then I'll talk with you about other types of other reasons why people may have anxiety, past life and ancestral trauma and collective consciousness. So if you're driving or doing something not safe, of course, take a minute to be with me in a safe place. So let's ask Spirit, and you define that in a way that feels right for you. Come in through the crown of your head and into your energy field, so your aura, etc., chakras. And we find that working with particular beings can be especially helpful. Where we have a free webinar coming up, we'll unpack some of that. For now, just work with Spirit in a way that feels right for you. And imagine going into the cellular level and cleaning out anxiety that you may have experienced in utero during your pregnancy. So stuff that mom was going through, stuff that your father was having difficulties, your pregnancy was too close to the previous one, you grew up your pregnancy was at a time where there was war, or there was war before, and you're feeling the energy as a sensitive soul or highly sensitive person. So clear those energies in the cells, in your energy field as well. Just take a little bit of time. We can ask for particular high beings to speed up the process. So, in Christ or Krishna and etc. Let's ask for Lords of Karma, Archangel Michael. You can think of different beings have different specialties. You can ask for Goddess energy, for example, Kuan Yin or Mother Mary. Have them work on you as well. Let's take it a step further and let's ask for healing to be done for your parents and the people in your context back then during your pregnancy. I worked with over 70 different helpers to help me try to heal from the stuff that I was struggling with, including anxiety and shame and guilt and total unworthiness and blah, blah, all kinds of stuff. So nothing worked. In terms of with this stuff, I did not work with a single person who worked at the cellular level, for example. And there's some other people who work with them, but you're not into past life stuff or ancestral trauma or a collective consciousness and so on. So it's really important for you to say, this isn't working for me. There's no point in working with this particular method or this particular healer over and over and over again for making no progress. So let me talk a little bit more about some other aspects. So anxiety, one of the issues is in relation to past life. One of the aspects of that is I did not want to come down here because it's just too toxic for me to incarnate. For some souls, they feel that way, not all. For others, they have trauma in terms of they've been in places they were at war in previous lifetimes or parents with substance abuse and etc. You can assess these things very, very precisely and transmute them. And that's part of what we teach in our webinar. We have a free webinar coming up called Multidimensional Transformation. We'll talk about these things with you and guide you in terms of how you can transform some of these things very easily, very quickly. But there's layers, we're complex, but... So we have damage at the soul level as well. So we have soul fragments. Because of major trauma, there's a portion of our soul that went away, just like as above, so below, right? Just as in our personality, part of us can shut down, same thing. So, and this collective consciousness with stuff that's going on in the world now in terms of elections and fires, cities burning down, like at the time of this video, Los Angeles, so much of it is on fire, and it is just extraordinary stuff that's happening, and part of global warming and etc. For some people don't believe in that, but you think in terms of there's all kinds of stuff going on. There's a bunch of collective fear, anxiety, and for sensitive people especially, they pick it up, they're impacted by those energies, and they go into anxiety. So those are some of the issues that are really, really important for you to consider in terms of healing more broadly, for you to transmute your anxiety at various levels, so you become more solid within yourself. You become more connected with your higher, wiser side, your soul, if you will, and more connected with the universe, with the divine, more and more and more fully. So for people who are interested in that, rather than saying, I got to keep working on the same thing that doesn't work, if you're interested in that, hit the button below for a free webinar with us, Multidimensional Transformation. Thank you so much for listening.